got a new M3. This is an E92. It's got a 4-liter V8, and so far I'm really loving it. We'll go check it out and I'll show you more. These are the stock wheels. I'm going to change them. This is the stock grill. I'm going to change that. Also, here's the stock front grill. Guess what color that's going to be. There's also some cool little carbon fiber bits I can put here and here. And oh, let's not forget, back here, speaking of that, here's the exhaust. It's really shiny and tiny, which is cool, but I'm gonna change that. We might put something really cool right there. We'll see. We'll see. Otherwise, if you can't tell yet, it's the Jerez Black. It's black with a lot of blue metallic underneath, so I actually really like it. I thought I wanted jet black like the other E46, but this is growing on me. Here's the carbon roof. It's really pretty, except for right here. People say you can't fix it. I'm gonna try anyways. I'll let you know how it goes. Otherwise, this is my E92 M3. I'm really loving it, and we'll hop inside and check some stuff out too. The inside of the car is pretty nice. Super nice steering wheel, meaty quality leather. Beautiful little M-colored stitching. Beautiful tack. These lights glow white at night, which is beautiful. Nice 6-speed. This also illuminates at night. And overall, just a very beautiful, clean interior. It says extended leather, so you get the leather on the door cards there. And this seems to be extra nice. All of it seems very nice. Big fan. Over and more in depth is the M button. It's pretty cool. When you hit that, it directly correlates to this, where you you can set your different options and preferences for each of these different adjustable drive options. Let's show you how it drives. Otherwise, you can do power right here and the electronic damper control right here, and dynamic stability control right there. It's a pretty sweet ride. Alright, so here's a little bit of how it goes. Brakes real smooth, pulls real hard, and it sounds really good for a stock car, but I'm looking forward to cutting up the exhaust a little bit.
Love that. You gotta tell me what mods you're gonna be doing.
Well, I told them what I'm gonna change.
Well, that's cosmetic. Are there any power mods? Any induction? I know the exhaust, of course.
We're gonna make it look cool and sound cool first.
Suspension?
Yeah, so lowering springs.
Okay.
That's
just the springs, not the whole coilover kit?
Yeah, I want to maintain electronic damper control functionality.
Oh, good point.
So if you just do lowering springs, you don't go too crazy with them, you still have EDC, which is pretty cool. I think it's a neat feature.
Anything with lighting? I'd say new headlights would be cool.
Maybe, alright. That'd be down the line.
Where are we going now?
I don't know. I guess I should give my first impressions, right?
Yeah.
So, first impressions. We're gonna be, I'm gonna reference the 335 with the N54 and the E46 with the S54 a lot, because those are my two cars that I drive. Compared to the other M3, this is a lot nicer. as far as just the build quality. It's a more comfortable ride, you know, leather seats are nicer, more cushiony. Leather seems to be a higher quality. And you can tell that it's a much more advanced vehicle with its electronics and ECU as well. This car doesn't give you quite the same amount of feedback, however, that the E46 does. But I think it makes up for that lack of feedback and excitement with V8, and just the engine does seem to pull a little bit harder and further than the S54 does. Compared to the 335, it feels way lighter, handles way better. That car feels like a kind of a boat compared to this. But this doesn't have near the torque that the 335 does. The twin turbos, when they kick in, it's a different sensation. But those die out right around the time this thing starts to pick up its momentum and get you feeling like you're kind of floating.
Yeah, would you reach like 50 miles an hour?
No, 45.
Oh. Get off on Boyle.
Boyle?
It's the next exit. St. Louis is looking beautiful.
Yeah, it really is. I will say the stock brakes on this feel very nice. It brakes pretty well. You know, I'd be interested to see how they feel on the track. But I imagine these might be good.
It's got a nice sound once it gets under load.
Yeah.
Heavy load. I mean, like highway, you know?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, that's when it sounds. Mwah. I'm really excited to hear that exhaust with the airways a little more opened up, you know?
Oh, yeah.
So.
Any
We'll
more?
see. Yeah, I mean, right now I'll just say, you know, I've had it for about 5 days. I've been able to put 250 miles on it, and so far I absolutely love it. I'm really looking forward to building it. I don't know if I really emphasized this yet. Right now it's completely stock, and I love it as a stock car. And you know, right now it doesn't feel quite as special as the E46 does, but there's been a lot of love put into that car, and I'm excited to see what this feels like once I make it my own. So I'm going to be doing that, and I'm going to be recording it all and documenting it all with you guys to see. So stay tuned to all that, and we'll see you around.
Yeah.